Hi Sam. I'm glad to see you today. Are you ready for a new word?
Hi Alex. Absolutely, I'm excited. What's the word today?
Today, we are learning the word,
notwendig,
which means necessary or essential.
That's interesting. So, can you tell me more about its meanings?
Sure.
notwendig,
Is most commonly used to describe something that is required or needed. However, it can also mean indispensable or crucial in certain contexts. Just be careful, because it might be confused with words like
optional, unnecessary,
which mean the opposite.
I see. Could you give me some grammar details about
notwendig,
Of course,
notwendig,
is actually an adjective. So, when you want to compare it, in the comparative form, you would say,
notwendiger,
and in the superlative, it's
am notwendigsten,
It can describe nouns, for instance,
eine notwendige Entscheidung,
means a necessary decision.
Got it. What about the plural form?
Since it's an adjective, it doesn't have a plural form by itself, but it agrees with the noun it describes. For example, you would say,
notwendige Entscheidungen,
for necessary decisions.
What's the origin of the word?
notwendig,
Great question. The word comes from Middle High German,
notwendig,
which is derived from the word,
Not,
meaning need or necessity. It has evolved over time, but the core concept of necessity has remained.
That's really fascinating. I love learning about the history of words.
Now let's break down.
notwendig,
It consists of the root,
Not,
meaning need, and the suffix.
wendig,
The suffix indicates a quality or state, so when you put them together, it refers to something that has the quality of being needed.
So it's like building with Lego blocks.
Exactly. It's all about assembling the pieces.
Are there any similar words to
notwendig,
Yes, there are quite a few. For example, with the same root,
Not,
you have,
Not,
meaning emergency,
Notfall,
meaning emergency case, and
notdürftig,
meaning barely sufficient.
interesting? What about the suffix?
For the suffix,
wendig,
you could look at words like
wendig,
meaning agile, and
wendbar,
meaning convertible.
So they all mean something related to movement or adaptability.
Yes, exactly. Now, let's look at some compounds too. For instance,
Notwendigkeit.
means necessity, and
Notwendigkeitsgesetz.
refers to the law of necessity.
This is great. Can you give me some real-life situations where I could use
notwendig,
Sure. Imagine you're at work and need to explain something. You might say,
Es ist notwendig, das Projekt abzuschließen.
which translates to, it is necessary to finish the project.
Alright, let me try that.
es ist notwendig, das Projekt zu beenden.
Perfect. Another situation could be at the doctor's office. You could say,
Es ist notwendig, eine Untersuchung zu machen.
meaning it is necessary to do an examination.
Es ist notwendig, eine Untersuchung durchzuführen.
That's great. One more situation could be while traveling. You could say,
Es ist notwendig, einen Reisepass zu haben.
which means it is necessary to have a passport.
Let me try.
Es ist notwendig, einen Pass zu besitzen.
You're doing really well. Now, let's talk about memory hints for
Notwendig.
Yes, I'd love that.
the ending is common in adjectives, and you can remember it by thinking of necessary as something that you can't do without, like your favorite toy as a child.
That's a good image.
Now, about usage notes.
Notwendig.
Is quite formal, so you might want to use it in professional settings. Typical collocations include phrases like,
Es ist notwendig. Notwendige Maßnahmen.
meaning necessary measures, and
Es ist notwendig, dass.
meaning it is necessary that.
I see. Are there any similar words I should watch out for?
Yes, be careful with
Optional.
and,
Unverzichtbar.
as they represent the opposite meanings.
Can you give me some example sentences with
Notwendig,
Absolutely. For example,
Es ist notwendig, jeden Tag zu lernen.
means it is necessary to study every day.
and in the past tense?
You could say,
Es war notwendig, früh zu gehen.
which means it was necessary to leave early.
That makes sense.
Another example is,
Die Entscheidung war notwendig.
meaning the decision was necessary.
I think I get it.
Let's do a quick recall check. What does
Notwendig.
mean?
It means necessary.
Correct. What's the comparative form?
Is it?
notwendiger,
Yes. What's a sentence using?
Notwendig.
In the past tense.
es war notwendig, zu helfen.
Exactly. Next question, what is the origin of?
Notwendig.
It comes from Middle High German, right?
That's right. Last question, what's a word with the same root as?
Not.
Notfall.
Perfect. You've done an amazing job today, Sam.
Thanks, Alex. I really appreciate your help.
Remember, the key takeaway today is that
Notwendig.
means necessary. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.
I will. See you next time.
See you, Sam.